Welcome to this tutorial on how to add your sister to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner and click on it to access your profile. Step 3. Once on your profile page, click on the About section. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, look for the Add Family Member option under Family Members and click on it. Step 5. Enter the account name of your sister in the provided field. Step 6. From the drop-down menu, select Sister as the relationship. Step 7. Finally, click on the Save button. By following these simple steps, you can easily add your sister to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Stay connected with your loved ones and enjoy sharing special moments.